I'm Victoria Renaud, and I'm part of the Spa Management and Esthetician program. So I chose the program just because I've been here a few times, so I've seen the spas and I really liked them, and I liked how they were set up and everything. And then partly because it was close to home. I've really enjoyed the program. I've learned the things that I wanted to learn because I wanted to learn how to do like hair waxing or hair removal. We learned new techniques for nails, like acrylics and so on. So it's really nice to learn those specifics that's a little bit harder to learn outside of a classroom or on your own or such. It's nice for if you have to like a quick question, you can kind of quickly ask somebody. You're all in the same situation, so if somebody doesn't know something, all of you don't, or somebody does, or like it's just a lot more helpful and a lot more communication, and you feel a lot more comfortable because it's like everybody's dealing with the same stuff. So say you're a little nervous about your technique, well, you're probably not the only one. Like you're never alone in a situation, which is a really nice feeling. They teach us to be flexible. So even in this room, if you've noticed, there's a lot of different chairs. There's the chairs and there's the beds. So they've taught us how to do a pedicure on the chair and on the bed. So they teach you how to do things in a lot of different settings. So no matter, say I do my own home business, I can do stuff in a home business setting, or they teach you how to be more comfortable in a more busy environment. So we have each other we're allowed to do services on, and recently we've had it where staff members are allowed to come in and we can do services on them, which is really nice because they know that we're, like they work here, so they know that we're training, they know that we're learning, and they're really supportive with us.